Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix HELLDIVERS 2 is crashing or crash on startup. Guys, first solution is to add this command only if crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now you will see the launch option in the general section. Just type here -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your game is crashing, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game. Still crashing, then just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just go to the install file, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just click on the browse option and simply look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then just click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose it the Windows 8, click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just go to your Windows search and just type here the Windows update and open it. Guys, once you open up the Windows update, simply update your Windows and also update your graphic card drivers. Guys, make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. After that, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution, and I hope one of these fixes your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.